Wala pa.
Sabi ng mga tao, ano ba kasing problema, sabi niya sa amin. Hindi lahat ng oras nakikipagbiroan ako, may oras ka rin. Sabi na,
Na-overwhelm kasi ako sa mga tao kasi ang dami nila. Tapos yung mata ko, isa lang, dalawa lang naman. So, bakit ang dami pang tao? Kaya, alam mo yun, manghihirap eh.
Yun no, parang anghel.
Oo. Sino? Sino ka?
seamless.
You're so good. You're such... It's wrong, it's wrong. You want me to teach you? Huh?
No.
It's wrong. No, that's so bad, bro. Wait, I'll teach you. Go away.
Go away. It's so fast.
You need to feel. No. You need to feel the moment. Like this. You need to. You know that?
Go.
Just close your eyes and then. You see this? This is the brake, the clutch, and the gas. Yes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Don't you laugh at him. Parang horror movie yung tinatag.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. Vlog number 3. Hey guys, vlog number 3. We're going to do contacts.
Pumipikit ba?
Oo, pumikit. Tas,
Dito.
buo kasi nose.
Todo mo pa.
Brown eyed blues.
Wala akong makita.
Really?
Ikaw lang.
Mukhang delikado na naman si Self. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman si Self?
Pero hindi pa tayo pinapababa.
Ang laki. Yan.
Wait lang. Ipunta mo yung... Kasi pumunta yung mata mo sa side eh. Dapat diretso mo ganun. Pwede yung side, tapos bigla kang i-ganun mo na. Bigla kang tumingin pa pa ganun.
So, as you can see sa vlog number 3, professional na si Kuya JL. Joe.
Umiiyak na siya.
Oh, it's okay.
When I hold you in my arms, I promise you.
Ay, lumikit.
Go press mo, Kuya.
Basta tanggal yung mata. Tapos pakuha yung glue.
4 times a charm na.
Nalulod ka?
Feeling ko ito na.
Parang season 3 tapos na to.
Hindi yun.
Ayan, yan, yan. Yan!
Hindi kasi, hindi nun din.
Hi Nate, can you teach me how to... Hey.
Yeah.
Good. Hello Nate, can you teach me how to eat bread properly? Oh, that's
Like that.
nice.
Oh, the proper way.
Okay. Like that? Wow, it's like a dog, huh? Doorbell pala yun. Wow!
May dog! Wow! Wow! Thank you!
Like we're inside the Greece.
Ganda! Ay! Wow!
Thank
you! Let's see the view. Oh my gosh.
Wala. It feels like we're in on yeah.